Hey everybody, thank you for stepping into the Dow's house. Today we are talking about skincare. Y'all know that to have a perfectly beat face, skincare is like the #1 most important thing. So we have decided to do a 4-week challenge, and it's going to be a 4-week skincare challenge. So we are going to get started. So with this video, we are going to talk about our day routine. Be sure to subscribe so that you can receive links and info about week 2, week 3, and week 4, and also about the nighttime routine. For our daytime routine, this will be done anytime of the day, whatever time you getting ready, you getting dressed, you're gonna go out for the day, whatever. This is the skincare routine that we're doing for daytime. So I'm actually getting ready to go out, so I'm going to show you guys what I do. So one of the products we'll be using, the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. I will be using this to basically cleanse my face. So I've already washed my hands and everything. I'm gonna take a small amount. You really don't need that much. So what you want to do is you always want to apply in a circular motion, and you just want to apply it all over your face. Want to get as much of your face as possible, because again, you're cleansing your face, so you want to try and get all of your face. I guess I do need a little bit more. That was too much. Anyhow, again, you always want to apply in a circular motion. This keeps from basically pulling the skin and stretching your skin. So everything that you see that we're going to do, like everything is going to be applied in a circular motion. I even applied to my eyelids. I mean, of course, be very careful, you don't want to get in your eye, but like I said, I apply everywhere. And the goal is, of course, clean skin, clear skin, even tone skin, glowing skin. So that's why I apply everywhere. Normally what I do is I let it sit on there for at least like a minute or two before I rinse it off. I'm waiting on my disposable face cloths to come in, but in the meantime, what I normally do is I have actually a set of rags that I use specifically for my face. In the meantime, I'm just going to use those and then to rinse my face off until I get the disposable face cloths. All right, so I'm gonna go rinse my face, and then I'll be right back to continue with the rest of the skincare daytime routine. All right, y'all, so I'm back. So I just rinsed that off my face. What you also want to remember when you are washing it off your face, first off, you want to use a gentle cloth. If you don't have disposable face cloths and you're using a rag, make sure it's a gentle rag. You don't want anything that's rough. When you're removing it, you want to remove also, like you apply in circular motions, remove it in circular motions. Also, what I tend to do is I'll take my rag as hot as I can stand it, and I'll just kind of lay it over my face. This kind of gives somewhat of the same effect if you don't have like a what is it called, a steamer, like a facial steamer. But if you have a facial steamer, you could just use the facial steamer, but I don't have one. I actually just ordered one, so I cannot wait till it comes in. I'm so excited to start using it. So once I'm done washing my face, I apply a toner. Toners are good because they basically hydrate the skin, and they also help with even skin tone. This is like a really good time of the year for this, because it is summertime, it's hot outside, the sun really dries your skin. So toner and moisturizer are like so important when it comes to skincare. So the toner I'm going to use, which is my absolute favorite, the Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. If you are a makeup lover, makeup enthusiast, any of that, skincare enthusiast, you know this is the bomb.com. And you also know Rosewater is the bomb.com. So since this has a spray, you actually can spray it over your face, which a lot of times what I do when I'm doing makeup, but for these purposes I'm not going to spray it. I'm just going to apply it to my face. So what I do is take a cotton ball, just a regular cotton ball. I'm going to take it, I'm going to apply all over my face. All over my face, especially in those T-zone areas. Oh my god, it smells so good. So I'm going to apply that. We're going to let it dry for a minute. I usually take my fan because I have a little fan. So and it's just a little basic fan I got off Amazon. Nothing drastic. So I usually just take my fan and just do a quick little, which I'm only doing this because I'm going somewhere. If I wasn't really going somewhere, I just was washing my face for the day, I just would just let it dry. Alright. Once that has dried onto your face, what you want to do is definitely apply a moisturizer. I cannot stress how important moisturizer is to your skin, especially your face. Especially if you are wearing makeup. Moisturizer is so important. This is my ultimate favorite moisturizer. Favorite. The Pond's Dry Skin Cream. I do have dry skin. However, my face does not take the same effect as the rest of my body. So my face is really not dry. But I absolutely love this moisturizer. When I say it is the best, normally what I do is I'll just put a dot right here, here, and here, and I just all for a circular motion until it's just completely over my face. And again, I do apply it everywhere. I apply it to my eyelids. I don't necessarily apply it to my lips because I have a lip routine, so which we'll start a video on that probably later this week. But I apply it everywhere, let it sit. So again, like I said, I'm going out. I'm not going out anywhere too like extravagant, so I'm not gonna really do a beat face. But I'll probably just throw on a pair of lashes and just keep it moving. So again, that is our daytime skin routine. We are going to post another video tonight where we do our nighttime skin routine, which is so bomb. I'm telling y'all, y'all are gonna love it. Thank y'all again for stepping into the dollhouse. We'll see you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can get notifications when we post any video, and so that you can stay on track with the 4-week skincare challenge. All right, bye y'all, see y'all later.